the race. Now the began desperate race. The machine against the foxes in the digging. The hurricane like this after about an hour as the machine bit away more and more. So from the hilltop it looking like this. Sometimes the fox's word gain a little growth and the squeaking noise will grow further and Mr. Fox will say, "We're going to make it. I'm sure we are." But then a few moments later the archers will come back at them and the crunch of the my shovels will get louder and louder. Once the foxes utterly saw the sharp meter edge of one of the shovels as it scraped up the earth just behind them. "Keep going, my darlings," panted Mr. Fox. "Don't give up. Keep going." The fat buggers shouting to Buns and Bean, "We'll get him any moment now. Have you caught sight of him yet?" Bean crawled back. "You not yet," shouting Buggers, "but I think you're close. I picked him up with my bucket," shouting Buns. "I cut him to pieces, but by lunchtime the machines will stare at it, and so will the poor foxes. The hare now looking like this." The farmers didn't stop for lunch. They were too keen to finish the job. "Hey there, Mr. Fox," yelled Buns, leaning out of his toaster. "We're coming to get you now. You've had your last chicken, you buggers. You'll never come prowling around my farm again." A sort of man's and tugging hold of the three men, the tail skinny Bean and Drawflies put their bones were driving their machines like machine, launching the motors and making the shovels dig at a terrible speed. The fat bucket was hopping about like a devil and shouting, "Faster, faster!" By 1 o'clock in the afternoon, this is what had happened to the hare. Now the whole machine had done was like the chatter of a war. Now it wasn't an externally sight that crowds of people come rushing out from the shielding railings to have a look. They stood on the edge of the chatter and stared down at Buggers and Buns and Bean. "Hey there, Buggers, what's going on? We're after a fox. You must be mad." The people there and laughed, but this only made the three farmers more false and more obviously and more determined than ever not to give up until they had caught the fox.